I got one of these dolls off the side of the road. I ended up washing and conditioning her hair. I'm gonna blow dry it and cut it, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. But I need to blow dry off camera, as it can get a bit loud. This is her so far. She still needs a lot of hair combing. Okay. I'm gonna angle this right, but see all that? Picked her up off the side of the road, and I'm trying to get her hair restored. Sorry about that. Yep. It's getting there, but might need to be a part. Nah, it'll just be a long video. I kind of want to trim up her hair so it's not looking all janky. The sides, oh, she's got a lot of rat's nests. I had one of these a while back, but I didn't really see. Look at that, already starting to look better. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to go over her hair though, and then I'll be able to decide if she needs a trim or not. Yeah, now this side. This side is the roughest patch. It's actually starting to come out. I'm gonna have to do most of this off camera because I don't know, she just still has a lot of rat's nests, and a quick comb over like this ain't really helping her much. But now, let's see. Look at her.
Oops, sorry. I hope you don't mind if I put that pillowcase of your mom's on your bed. And I was thinking if you want to use her blanket to sleep with at night.
Okay, I now put my wig on her, and I'm gonna be straightening the wig. Oh shoot, is there any way filming, shoot. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Ooh, that was kinda hot. And here is the finished look of her. Well, not exactly finished, because I still want to restore her some more with some paint, sand her down, and put paint on her, and give her a whole new different look. So this is possibly going to be a part 1, but it'll be a while before I can get the paint and everything. And there's my wig all straightened out. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like and subscribe. And I hope you can share with your friends. This is Lily Stone. Peace out.